Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Idia Khan and I am from green category from level 5. I participate the CRISP scientific world, and first of all I want to say that what is scientific project. Scientific project is an educational activity for students involving experiments or construction of models, one of science discipline. And from this I selected the project of ATM, and now I want to say that what is ATM. What is ATM? An automated teller machine is ATM is an automated teller machine. An ATM is an automated teller machine can automated teller machine is an electronic banking outlet that allows customer to pay banking outlet and anyone from a credit card or debit card used by ATMs. And as you look at here, ATM card is there with the arrow nishan. If here arrow nishan is there present, from arrow nishan we use ATM card and take, and from there we take money. Automated teller machines are devices used by bank customers transactions. Automated teller machines have been adopted and are still being adopted by banks. And previous times it was not discovered. It is an invention of the nowadays. And automated teller machines is a specialized computer and it help us for those people who don't go to bank and they just go to ATM and they take their money. And I hope you enjoyed this topic. Thanks for giving me your precious time.